I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Nissan Micra, specifically the fifth generation that has been rolling off production lines since 2016 and continues to the present day. This compact hatchback has carved out a niche in the UK market as an affordable city car, praised for its nimble handling and surprisingly spacious interior, despite its small footprint. With prices starting from around £8,000 for a used model in good condition, it appeals to budget-conscious drivers looking for reliability without breaking the bank. One of the standout positives of the Micra is its fuel efficiency, especially in the non-turbo variants, where you can expect up to 60 miles per gallon on the highway with careful driving. The cabin feels modern with features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on higher trims, making it a tech-savvy choice for younger drivers. However, it is not all smooth sailing, as some owners report that the ride can feel a bit firm over potholes, which is common in UK urban areas. Shifting gears to the engine options, the Micra offers a range of petrol units, including a turbocharged 1.0-litre that delivers punchy performance for overtaking on A-roads. This turbo engine can achieve 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 10 seconds, which is impressive for a super mini. On the flip side, turbo failures have been a recurring headache for some owners, often manifesting as loss of power or unusual noises after around 50,000 kilometers. These turbo issues typically stem from oil starvation or faulty wastegates, leading to costly repairs that can set you back over £500 at a dealership. Regular oil changes every 10,000 kilometers are crucial to mitigate this, but neglect can accelerate the problem. Despite this, many drivers appreciate the turbo's lively response in city traffic, balancing the risk with rewarding drivability. Electrical gremlins are another weak point that plagues the fifth-generation Micra, with reports of malfunctioning infotainment screens and erratic dashboard warnings. These issues often trace back to faulty wiring harnesses or software glitches, which Nissan has addressed through recalls in some cases. Owners in rainy UK climates note that moisture ingress can exacerbate these problems, leading to intermittent failures in features like the reversing camera. For instance, a common complaint is the battery draining unexpectedly due to parasitic electrical draws, which might leave you stranded on a cold morning. Repair costs for electrical diagnostics can hover around £200, plus parts. That said, the Micra's overall build quality feels solid, and its safety features, including automatic emergency braking, earn it high marks in Euro NCAP tests. Suspension components also deserve a mention among the Micra's vulnerabilities, as front struts and bushings tend to wear out prematurely on models driven extensively on bumpy British roads. This can result in clunking noises and a less stable ride after 30,000 kilometers. Fortunately, replacements are relatively inexpensive, often under £300 including labor, making it a manageable fix for DIY enthusiasts. The positives shine through in the Micra's compact size, which makes parking in tight London spots a breeze, and its low running costs with road tax often under £150 annually. Fuel consumption in the efficient diesel variant, if you can find one, dips to around 4.5 litres per 100 kilometers on long drives. However, the lack of a diesel option in later years might disappoint those seeking ultimate economy. Transmission woes occasionally crop up, particularly in models with a continuously variable transmission, where hesitation or slipping can occur after high mileage. Manual gearboxes fare better, offering a more engaging drive without the complexity. Overall, the Micra's reliability scores are average in UK surveys, but proactive maintenance can keep it running smoothly for years. Interior materials, while functional, sometimes show signs of wear like peeling door trims or fading plastics after 5 years of use. This is more noticeable in entry-level trims, but upgrading to higher specs brings leather accents that hold up better. Despite these niggles, the boot space of 265 litres expandable to over 1,000 with seats folded makes it practical for weekend getaways. Braking systems are generally robust, but some owners report premature wear on discs and pads, especially in stop-start urban driving common in cities like Manchester. Replacement sets cost around £150, and the car's lightweight helps with responsive stopping. On the bright side, the Micra's agile chassis provides fun handling on twisty B-roads, rivaling pricier competitors. Visibility is a strong suit, with large windows and slim pillars aiding all-around sightlines, which is a boon for new drivers navigating busy roundabouts. However, rear parking sensors are not standard on all models, leading to minor scrapes for the inattentive. Priced competitively against rivals like the Ford Fiesta, the Micra offers good value at around £12,000 for a new base model. Engine management lights can flicker on due to sensor failures, often linked to the turbo or emission systems, requiring a diagnostic scan that might cost £50. Keeping up with software updates at Nissan service centers can prevent this. Enthusiasts love the customizable exterior colors and alloy wheel options, adding a personal touch to this everyday runabout. In wet UK weather, some Micras suffer from water leaks around door seals, potentially causing damp carpets and musty odors. This is fixable with new seals for under £100, but it highlights build quality inconsistencies. Countering that, the car's low insurance groups make it affordable for young drivers, often grouping in the teens. Tire wear can be uneven if alignment is off, a PID issue reported after hitting curbs or potholes, with a full set of tires costing around £200. The Micra's steering feels light and precise, enhancing its appeal for city commuting. Reliability forums like those on AutoTrader often praise its low depreciation, holding value better than some peers. Air conditioning units sometimes fail to cool effectively, traced to compressor issues after 40,000 kilometers, with repairs nearing £400. On hotter days, this can be frustrating, but the system's efficiency when working is commendable. The Micra's compact engine bay makes servicing straightforward for mechanics. Exhaust systems, particularly the catalytic converter, have been known to clog or fail emissions tests in older models, leading to MOT failures. Costs for a new Cat can exceed £600, but eco-friendly driving habits help prolong its life. Positively, the car's low CO2 emissions qualify it for cheaper congestion charges in zones like London. Infotainment glitches, such as Bluetooth connectivity drops, annoy tech-dependent users, often resolved with a simple reset or update. The Bose audio system in premium trims delivers crisp sound, elevating the driving experience. With a 5-year warranty on new models, many issues are covered, providing peace of mind. Fuel pump failures are rare but reported in turbo variants, causing stalling and requiring towing, with parts around £300. Regular fuel filter changes every 20,000 kilometers can prevent this. The Micra's peppy acceleration makes it enjoyable for short trips, blending fun with frugality. In conclusion, the 5th-generation Nissan Micra suits urban dwellers and first-time buyers in the UK who prioritize affordability, ease of parking, and modern features over outright luxury. It is ideal for those clocking under 10,000 kilometers annually in city environments, where its strengths in efficiency and handling shine, but less so for high-mileage motorists wary of turbo and electrical niggles. If you can commit to regular servicing, this car offers great bang for your buck, though enthusiasts seeking reliability might look elsewhere. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.